police right there, yeah. There they go. I see them right there. They go to sheriff department right there. Look at the bike crew. Y'all see that bike crew over there? So yeah, they got a police jeep on by. This place they use their tour center. My boy, you put your tour center. Look at them. Okay, he used it. He's using it. Never mind. Okay, he's using it though. Oh, they using it. Oh yeah. Good job, bro. Good job. So yeah, we watch people not using their tour center, y'all. How the traffic light. Oh, he blue. Wait, he gold. This car right here, I think black car is 20. Yep, black car is 20 right now. Look at them now using it. Look at them not using it. Use your tour center, people. You didn't even use their tour center. I think this car is 20 right now. That car right there is probably 20. Yep, I caught it too. Look at them not using it. Now we're using it. They got another police car right there. Yeah, use your license. Use your thing. So yeah, got some people though. So this video is gonna be about people not using their tour center. And today is 9/11. So yeah, it's 9/11 today, y'all. Let's take a moment of silence. I know the bus is moving right now. Let's take a moment of silence, y'all. And 20 seconds of silence. Oh yeah. So yeah, definitely rest in peace to everybody that did not make it out, and people that did make it out, good job. And definitely shout out to all the firemen out there that day, and police and ambulance. So yeah, today is 9/11, y'all. That's why I did moments of silence. But yeah, I should did in the beginning of the video, but I don't got time for that. But yeah, look at Tabliz over there, y'all. That's my friend Tabliz. And yeah, we're on the bus right now, so peace out. And today, this video is about not using a tour center out of the stop line. So yeah, peace out and stay safe. And I love y'all.